G'day guys, here we have a Jono Johno 13 horsepower vertical shaft engine, and installing the throttle cable, we've got to attach it in here, and there's a little dimple that goes at the bottom, and the top half will clamp the cable. You've got to hook that onto the accelerator throttle lever, and you can see here we're in the start position, so this screw stop is on this little tab here. When we then push the throttle full to the start position, we've touching on the choke lever, and this little lever here is pushing all the way up, and that means that the choke needs to be fully on. So in the start position you have to get it so that the choke is fully on, and in the stop idle position it should come back down and touch that. So that lever system is working on the governor, which is this spring in here, and the governor doesn't need to be adjusted or touched in any way, sort of thing. So that should stay. Minor adjustments can be made on the two adjustment screws on the outside, but they're basically set from factory. So it's a matter of positioning the throttle cable to get those two positions, which is idle and then the choke fully on in the start position, which lifts that lever back there. So best of luck guys, bye.